What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to quickly scan and remove viruses or malware from your Windows PC. Ensuring your computer is free from malicious threats is crucial for its performance and security. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. The first step is to ensure your antivirus software is up to date. Most modern Windows PC come with Windows Defender, a built-in antivirus program. To check for updates, go to the Start menu, select Settings, then Update and Security, and finally, Windows Security. Under Virus and Threat Protection, click on Check for Updates. Allow your antivirus software to download the latest virus definitions to effectively detect and remove threats. Once your antivirus software is up to date, initiate a full system scan. Return to the Virus and Threat Protection section and, under Quick Scan, click on Scan Options. Choose Full Scan and thoroughly check your entire system. The scan may take some time depending on the size of your data and storage. Relax and let your antivirus software do its job. After the scan is complete, your antivirus software will display the results. If any viruses or malware are found, you'll have the option to quarantine or remove them. Quarantine isolates the threats, while removal permanently deletes them from your system. Follow the prompts to take appropriate action. Keep in mind that some malware may require a system restart for complete removal. In addition to your antivirus software, Windows has a built-in tool called the Malicious Software Removal Tool. To access it, go to the Start menu, search for Windows Security and open the app. Click on Virus and Threat Protection, and under Current Threats, you'll find Scan Options. Select Windows Defender Offline Scan and follow the instructions to perform an offline scan. This tool can detect and remove additional threats that your regular antivirus might have missed. And there you have it, a quick and effective guide on how to scan and remove viruses or malware on Windows. Regularly scanning your computer and adopting safe online practices will help keep your system secure and running smoothly. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.